Hello, and welcome to Kamiak registration for the class of 2017. In this presentation, we will be doing a transcript review, going over the curriculum guide, discussing graduation requirements, reviewing registration, going through an hours worksheet, and reviewing important dates. Let's begin with a review of your transcript. On the top part of the transcript, you will find student information. This includes a student name, birth date, gender, year of graduation, counselor, state ID number, your current GPA, class rank, and the total credits earned thus far. Academic record. On this section of the transcript, it lists the classes that you've taken so far, the grades you've received, and the credits you've earned. Credit breakdown. This section lists the credit requirements, what you've completed, and what you are short. Additional state requirements. On this section of the transcript lists the additional testing and state requirements, including all state tests, the high school beyond plan, culminating project, and Washington state history. Curriculum guide. With registration materials, each student will have received the 2014-2015 Kamiak High School Curriculum Guide. The curriculum guide includes the following information: course description and summaries, counseling center, schedule change information, tech prep, advanced placement, snow aisle, ACES High School, running start, and much more. Graduation requirements. For the class of 2017, students will need to complete the high school and beyond plan, present their culminating project, pass all state tests, and earn 22.5 credits. High school and beyond plan. This is the section where students upload artifacts, answer reflection questions, input classes, grades, and credits. Culminating project. Students will need to present their culminating project, which includes 2 of their best pieces of work. If you have questions regarding the eFolio or the culminating project, please know that help is available Wednesdays from 2 to 3:30 in the Computer Lab 217. You can also check with Mr. Williams or Ms. Davis in the culminating project office in East Campus. For the class of 2017, students will need to meet standard on 1 of the listed reading and writing tests. Additionally, they will need to meet standard on 1 of the listed mathematic tests. All students will need to pass the end of course biology exam. Students will need to earn 22.5 credits in the following categories: English, 4 credits, Math, Algebra 1, 1 credit, Geometry, 1 credit, Algebra 2 Trig or District Approved Alternative, 1 credit, Science, 2 credits, Social Studies, World History, 1 credit, U.S. History, 1 credit, Senior Social Studies, half credit, Civics, half credit, Fine Arts, 1 credit, Occupational, 1 credit, Fine Arts or Occupational, half credit, Health and Fitness, half credit, Physical Education, 1.5 credits, Electives, 6 credits, for a total of 22.5 credits. Planning for 4-year, 2-year, technical, or I'm not sure. Is there a difference? When planning your course selections, please utilize the curriculum guide. The following flowchart listed here will assist you in selecting the classes that will best prepare you for your post-high school plan. If you are considering going to a 4-year college, please be aware that there are different requirements for graduation from Kamiak than there is for entrance to a 4-year college. Please look at the table below. English, 4 years, Social Studies, 3 years, World Language, 2 years, Mathematics, 4 years, Science, 2 years, Fine Arts, 1 year. For students considering to go to a 4-year school directly from high school, a minimum of 2 consecutive years of study in a single world language is required. Some require more. Please be advised, world language is not a requirement to graduate from CAMYAC. However, if you are interested in going directly to a 4-year school, you will need to meet the world language requirement for that particular college or university. Registration. Each student will have received the following course request registration sheet. On the top, please list your student number, current grade, today's date, your full name, phone number, and current email address. Under the course request, please list the classes you would like to request, indicating whether they are year-long or if you have a preference between semester 1 or semester 2, or if you have no preference. When you're trying to figure out which classes to take, you can utilize the hours worksheet. On this sheet, you are able to write down the classes you are interested in taking and calculate the number of hours per week in homework each individual class will have. Additionally, you can write down your other extracurricular activities and the approximate hours per week that you will need for those activities. If you're trying to figure out how many hours per week a particular class will have, please look at your curriculum guide. For example, English 2. On the form, it will list not only the prerequisites and the description, but also the hours average for homework that particular class will have. Once you've figured out the amount of hours that you have and figured out your classes, please fill out the top of the form and also indicate alternative requests. When you're finished with that, please sign the bottom. Important dates. On the back of your curriculum guide, there is a calendar of important registration dates. Please look specifically at March 6th, which is Freshman Registration Pickup Day. All your forms are due on March 6th. Thank you very much.